Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So I've now got some replacement wire to fix the fuel gauge sender. So in today's video we'll be fixing this. So what I did, I went online, looked at some of the forums for lots of different cars, not just Volkswagens, and some of the cars out there you can't actually get replacement for. So following their advice, you can get replacement wire. Now it's a specific type of wire, neodymium or something along those lines. I'll put a link somewhere to where I got this from. It'll be in the description as well. So I measured this and it was 0.1 millimeters. So I've bought 0.1 millimeters, 50 meters of it. Obviously I don't need 50 meters, so I've got plenty for anybody else that wants one repairing or want to repair it themselves. So if you look here, you can see it is soldered in. So what I've got to do, I've got to unsolder this and solder this in. So right, so let me get the soldering iron warmed up, get you repositioned, and we'll get it done. So that's the fuel tank back in him. He's clamped off. These are quite good clamps, these are. I'll put a link to them in the description. It's an affiliated link. So tank's completely empty. And that's what the gauge shows. So let's put some petrol in him and see if I fixed it. So that is 5 litres of petrol now in his tank. So fuel gauge. So that is 5 litres. So I know when I get down to the R, I've got 5 litres of petrol left. Now, unless I fill him up, I won't know whether that's giving me a full tank or not. But I've never seen the fuel gauge behave like that. So it looks like I fixed it. Happy days. So just to recap, a new fuel gauge, a new fuel sender is 85 quid. I weren't paying that. So I've got some 0.1 mil, whatever the wire's called, I'll write it on the screen, and replaced the bit that's inside the sender, and that's fixed the problem. So you don't need a new fuel gauge, a new fuel tank sender. All you need to do is replace the wire for 3 quid for a 50 metre reel, or if you want some, just come and grab some. Right, thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully the next video of Gus will be filling this gap here.